Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing the Bihar APO law paper, and I won't be explaining the questions. I will just tell you the answer. And I know right now nobody is in the mood to discuss the questions. We all want to know how much we are scoring. That's it. So now talking about the first question, in which section of the Indian Penal Code the word act is defined? So it is section 33. A. Second question is, in which section of the Indian Penal Code the punishment for wrongful restraint has been provided? So it has been provided in 341B. Under which of the following sections of the IPC the word offence has been defined? It is defined in section 40B. Under which section of the IPC the word extortion is defined? It is defined under section 383. A is the answer. In which section of the Indian Penal Code the word cruelty is defined? So cruelty is defined in 498A. Which of the following sections of the IPC provides a punishment for attempt to commit suicide? So attempt to commit suicide is in 309, option C. In which section of the IPC the word good faith has not been used? B will be the right answer. It talks about the consent. 8 is unlawful assembly has been defined in, it's in section 141. A is the answer. A meets B on national highway, shows him a pistol and demands B's purse. B in consequence surrenders his purse. Which one of the following offence has been committed? So robbery has been committed. Punishment for the offence of importing girls from any country outside India or from Jammu and Kashmir is up to 10 years if the age of the girl is under 21 years. So option is D. Section 366B. 11th is, which section of the Indian Penal Code deals with the defense of involuntary intoxication? So it would be section 85, option B. The right of private defense of body extends to causing death if there is. So 12th का आंसर होगा D. Sarla Mudgal case, it is related to bigamy. 13th का आंसर है C. In which case the court made a clear distinction between common intention and similar intention? तो इसका आंसर हुआ C. Kripal Singh. Assault under which under section 351 of the IPC can be caused by it can be caused by gesture or preparation. D is the right answer. Under which section of the IPC right to private defense of property extends to causing death? So it's 103. Misappropriation of property has been defined under, it is defined under section 403. Which section of the IPC provides for the offence relating to Army, Navy and Air Force? So it's option C, 131 to 140. The offence of abatement is constituted by all of the above. 19th का D. Under the IPC, the defense of consent is not available in the case of both A and B. C is the answer. A hangman who hangs the prisoner, answer होगा B, 78. A incites a dog to spring upon Z to annoy him. So what is this? This is criminal force. 350. A is the right answer. Which one of the following is not correct in respect of definition of theft? So B is not correct. It's not ownership. It should be possession. 24th is, which of the following does not constitute an offence of affray? So 5 or more person, because we need 2 or more. Which of the following is not an offence? So suicide is not an offence. Attempt to suicide is not an offence. Okay. So who drafted the Indian Evidence Act? J.F. Stephen. Everybody knows. Which of the following is a fact? So all of them. 27th का है D. In a trial for the murder of B by A, which of these is not relevant? What is not relevant? That he was not present there. D is the right answer. The Indian Evidence Act has been divided into, it is divided into 3 parts and 11 chapters. B is the right answer. Which of the following is not a public document? So it is a plaint or written statement in a suit. This is what I believe. I am doubtful in this. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court hold that a tape recorded conversation is admissible? So it should be Yusuf Ali. If it is not, please do let me know. Statement made by an agent to any party to the proceeding are admissions. C, if the court regards expressly or impliedly. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court hold that confession must either admit in terms of the offence or at any rate substantially all the facts which constitute So इसका आंसर होगा none of the above, because I guess Pakla Nara and so on is the right answer. 34th is about 14 days ago. So this is the problem which is given, and they are asking ki, what is admissible under section 27. So 27 talks about what? It talks about, so 35 is the admissibility of dying declaration is based on the maxim. It is based on the maxim C. Okay. 36 is assertion. The findings of the criminal court are inadmissible in a civil suit, and then they have given the reason. So B will be the right answer. So both are correct, but it is not the explanation. Okay. Which of the following admissions are not dealt by section 58 of the Indian Evidence Act? So all of the above. A Xerox photocopying in the absence of original is admissible in evidence. A is the right answer. Then 39th is, who among the following can compare the disputed writing with the admitted writing of the party? So it should be B. A agrees in writing to sell. It's like either for 1000 or 1500, section 93, ambiguous contract. So B will be the right answer. Evidence cannot be given. Okay. Then, unless non-excesses prove the presumption as to legitimacy of any child born during the continuance of a valid marriage between his mother and any man is conclusive proof, section 112. The court may presume that an accomplice is unworthy of credit under section 114 B, Indian Evidence Act. A intentionally and falsely leads B to believe that certain land belongs to A, and then he sells him, and later on he gets it and he denies. What would be the case? He must not be allowed to prove his want. Okay. Which of the following is true and correct? So both of them are true and correct. Please do read it. Deepak, accused of committing the offence of supplying arms, informs his lawyer Shweta that he has committed. So according to me, C should be the right answer, because it's a privileged privileged one and protected from disclosure. D also could be the right answer, because criminal court cannot at the instance compel Shweta, since this is a privileged conversation. Okay. So if you have any case reference, do let me know. Okay. Then which of the following is true and correct? 46. So both of them are true and correct. Please do read it. A witness may be cross-examined with or without showing such writing to him. In a prosecution for rape attempt to commit rape, it shall not be permissible. So they are asking by which amendment it was introduced. It was 2002 amendment. Okay. So the maxim fallax in uno fallax in omnibus means false in one thing is false in everything. So B is the most appropriate one. The police effected the recovery under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act. So the answer according to me should be irregular, but I'm not sure. There must be a case. We have framed the question on basis of the case. So it should be either legal, or if we are going strictly by section 27, it is irregular. But if there is any case, then it would be legal as well. So if you know the answer, please do let me know. Where one or more offences are found to be cognizable and several other offences are non-cognizable, there can be police allow bail to the accused. C would be the answer. They will treat it as a cognizable one and refuse the bail. In case of one or more offences to be tried by a magistrate falls in the category of session trial, which court will try? If one of them is tried by session court, then it will be tried. All of them will be tried by session court. 53 is about consecutive and concurrent sentence. So A defines both the terms. 54 is the summons procedure is adopted to cover offence punishable with. So it covers offence attracting up to 2 years of imprisonment, because above 2 years will be warrant cases. Okay. An accused can be discharged if the investigation cannot be completed within a period of dash, provided the maximum punishment for the offence is 2 years. So it would be 60 days. Then revision against interlocutory order is banned under which provision? So I guess this is a wrong question, but this is the most relatable, but then this is not the right answer. So I guess the question is wrong. Let's see. An offender can plead guilty and pay fine with the help of postal department. This is A. 57th A. 206. What charges are effected to ensure a fair trial under the Criminal Procedure Code? So this is the most appropriate answer according to me. Accused pleading innocence all through the trial. The process of compulsory stoppage of proceedings before a trial court on the plea of transfer of case from that court. So this is 407. See, this question is wrong, I believe. 56 is wrong. Let's see. Okay. An order of maintenance is given in case of indigent parents. So it can be given under section 125. A precise formulation of charge तो रटी हुई definition है. It's charge. 62 is B. Match कर लीजिएगा. Which of the following factors a medical practitioner can omit in the report? So he can omit the identification mark. When a court issues a warrant for the arrest of suspected person, it must ensure all of the above. Okay. In case of a suspect concealing himself to avoid arrest, the court can issue all of the above: attachment, proclamation, publication, everything. What happens when any officer in charge of a police station receives an information that a person has committed suicide? So he will inform the executive magistrate about the incident. Okay. The preemptory jurisdiction of the court for inquiry is ordinarily where the offence took place. Is the proposition admissible under section 177? So D is the right answer, within the means and scope unless contrary is directed. 68 is for trial of cases of criminal abatement. Which court is the competent court? So this should be all of the above according to me, or A, but this is the most appropriate. 69, from 69 to 71 you have to tell the court in which the offence can be tried. So 69 का होगा A, 70 का होगा A and 71 का होगा C. When two or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offence, in such a case, which court shall inquire into the offence? So if two or more courts have taken the cognizance, the court, if they are subordinate to the same high court, as per the direction of the high court. यहाँ पर offence नहीं होता, अगर trial होता तब ये भी होता, C होता, but offence है यहाँ पर, इसलिए इसका आंसर A होगा. When can a specifically empowered magistrate take cognizance of an offence upon information? So it should be both A and B. 74 is in which of the following cases session court can take cognizance of an offence committed by against public servant? So all of the above. Cannot take an offence of cognizance. 75 is a complaint is made by someone who is aggrieved by an offence. What is the exception to the rule? So I guess it should be D. Not sure. Which of the following articles providing for fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the, so we all know it's 20 and 21. Democracy and federalism are essential feature of our constitution. It was held in S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. Who said it? So this is their favorite thing to do. Bihar judiciary. They ask the name of the judge. They quote the judges. The provision of establishing public service commission is made under 315. A writ issued by Supreme Court against a person who claims or usurps. It is quo warranto. Who gave you the authority? Okay. Which of the following appointment is not made by the President of India, Speaker of the Lok Sabha? One feature distinguishing the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Sabha is the power of impeachment. They do not have the power to impeach. Election Commission does not conduct the election of local bodies. The Supreme Court of India, while considering the validity of proclamation of emergency under Article 356, said that the proclamation is subject to judicial review. In which case, S.R. Bommai, under which list of the Constitution all aspect of family laws concurrent list? At present, who is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? So at present, it's J.C. Murmu, but then I guess the paper was made. The paper was framed when Rajiv Mehrishi was the CAG. Since before Murmu, Rajiv Mehrishi was there. Okay. So B will be the answer. 86 is blindness is not a disqualification. In which case it wasn't? It was in Jai Shankar Prasad. Okay, the power of judicial review in India is enjoyed by judicial reviews. Basically, it is enjoyed by all the courts. So this should be the answer. But then, you know that Supreme Court and the High Court can look into the issues. So, I mean, this is doubtful. It's either B or C. Fundamental duty of every citizen of India to safeguard public property. So it is 51AI. Then 96 is, in which of the following articles the principle of collective responsibility? So 75 here, the Council of Ministers collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. In which of the following cases the question regarding reservation is considered by the Supreme Court for the first time? So it was Champagan Dhurai Rajan. In which of the following cases it was decided that the power of the High Court under Article 226 to 227 is the basic structure? Keshav Nanda Bharti. Which of the following cases the Supreme Court has explained the meaning of institution of Lok Adalat? P.D. Thomas. Question 100 is C. So that's it. We have covered almost all the questions. Some of them are doubtful, and if you know the correct answers of these, then please do let me know. And yeah, all the best. Bihar result is has been declared. So those who have qualified, all the best for the mains. Those who haven't, please don't lose hope. A lot of vacancies are about to come, so you can try in that. Okay, and yeah, that's it. If possible, you can share your marks in the comment section below so that we can check what will be the cutoff. According to me, the cutoff will be high, as we have already seen in the Bihar judicial examination. The paper again, it was the same pattern. The GS paper was a bit difficult and the law paper was very easy. So the cutoff will be high, but then it won't be that high as it was in judiciary examination, because the number of seats here are much more than Bihar Jai. So yeah, that's it. All the best, and thank you for watching.